Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Apple is poised to unveil a significant upgrade to its popular iPad Air lineup with the imminent arrival of the iPad Air M3. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this new model is expected to deliver a substantial performance leap, enhanced capabilities, and a refined user experience. Let's delve into the anticipated features and speculate on what this next-generation tablet has in store. A core of power. The M3 chip. At the heart of the iPad Air M3 lies the anticipated M3 chip. This cutting-edge processor, likely an evolution of the M2 chip currently powering the current iPad Air, promises a significant performance boost across the board. Unleashing raw power. The M3 chip is expected to deliver a substantial increase in CPU and GPU performance. This translates to smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and a more responsive overall experience. Demanding tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and high-fidelity gaming should become even more seamless on the iPad Air M3. Neural engine advancements. The neural engine, responsible for powering machine learning tasks, is also likely to receive an upgrade. This could result in faster image processing, enhanced augmented reality experiences, and improved on-device machine learning capabilities. Memory mastery. 16 GB of RAM. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the inclusion of 16 GB of RAM. This represents a doubling of the RAM capacity compared to the current iPad Air model. Multitasking maestro. With 16 GB of RAM, the iPad Air M3 is poised to become a true multitasking powerhouse. Users can expect to seamlessly switch between numerous apps, including resource-intensive applications like video editing software and professional-grade creative tools, without experiencing any slowdown or lag. Future-proofing. The increased RAM capacity not only enhances current performance but also future-proofs the device for years to come. As applications and operating systems become increasingly demanding, the extra memory will ensure the iPad Air M3 remains a capable and responsive device. A visual feast. Display prowess. The iPad Air M3 is expected to retain the beloved 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display. This vibrant display offers a stunning visual experience with its high resolution, wide color gamut, and impressive brightness. True-to-life colors. The Liquid Retina display accurately reproduces colors, making it ideal for tasks like photo and video editing, graphic design, and consuming multimedia content. True Tone technology. True Tone technology intelligently adjusts the color temperature of the display to match the ambient lighting, ensuring comfortable viewing in various environments. Expanding horizons. A 12.9-inch variant? Recent reports suggest that Apple may introduce a larger 12.9-inch iPad Air model soon. This would mark a significant departure from the traditional 10.9-inch form factor and provide users with a more expansive canvas for creativity and productivity. Increased screen real estate. The larger display would offer a more immersive experience for tasks like content creation, video conferencing, and browsing the web. Enhanced productivity. The increased screen real estate could significantly enhance productivity, allowing users to comfortably work with multiple windows and documents side by side. Connectivity and convenience. The iPad Air M3 is expected to be equipped with a suite of cutting-edge connectivity features. Ultra-wideband technology. UWB technology enables precise location tracking and proximity-based interactions. This could unlock new possibilities for device-to-device communication, spatial audio experiences, and seamless device handoffs. Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E offers faster speeds, lower latency, and improved network capacity. This ensures a smooth and reliable connection for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Bluetooth 5.3. Bluetooth 5.3 provides enhanced range, improved power efficiency, and faster data transfer speeds. This enables seamless connectivity with a wide range of peripherals, including headphones, keyboards, and smart home devices. USB-C port. The versatile USB-C port supports fast charging, high-speed data transfer, and the ability to connect to external displays. This provides users with greater flexibility and expandability. Security and authentication. Apple is committed to providing a secure and user-friendly experience. The iPad Air M3 is expected to feature Touch ID. Touch ID, integrated into the power button, provides a convenient and secure method for unlocking the device and authorizing purchases. Face ID. While less likely on the iPad Air, Face ID could be implemented in future models. offering an alternative biometric authentication method. Accessories and ecosystem integration. The iPad Air M3 is designed to seamlessly integrate with Apple's ecosystem of accessories. Apple Pencil support. The iPad Air M3 will undoubtedly support the Apple Pencil, enabling users to draw, sketch, write, and annotate with precision and ease. Magic Keyboard compatibility. The versatile Magic Keyboard, with its full-size keys and trackpad, will provide a comfortable and productive typing experience. Smart Keyboard Folio. The Smart Keyboard Folio combines a protective case with a built-in keyboard, offering a compact and convenient solution for those who frequently use their iPad Air for typing. A tablet for everyone. The iPad Air M3 is poised to be a versatile and powerful tablet that caters to a wide range of users. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or simply someone who enjoys consuming and creating content, the iPad Air M3 is expected to deliver an exceptional user experience. Conclusion. The iPad Air M3 represents a significant leap forward for Apple's mid-range tablet offering. With the powerful M3 chip, increased RAM, and refined design, the iPad Air M3 is set to become a top choice for users seeking a powerful, portable, and versatile tablet. As we await its official release, the anticipation continues to build for this exciting new chapter in the iPad Air saga.